For me, such a creative opportunity, beyond belief as I think about it. And I love and loved and have loved when I had the strength to make stuff, and such an opportunity to have a place for it all to go. And I have to confess, I like the things that I make. I tried over 40 years to make settings that would grab you, that you would say, oh, I have to sit here and look at this. It's unedited and unformulated. It's just a surprise to me what comes out. Oh, that's what I was looking for. It's autonomous fantasy creation. I guess I've always been obsessed with male-femaleness, connection, intimacy, and how people express their cravings for intimacy. It's an external diary, and to have freed up a place of this magnitude, it's extremely satisfying. I think it's a unique place in central Massachusetts, 40 miles by 40 miles of wilderness like this. Just the awe of having this available as a background is quite overwhelming and should be cherished. People should have an opportunity to see just how beautiful it is. It will grab them and add to their life like it adds to mine. I gave it to Kestrel, and I have grandiose hopes that it will be a place of inspiration and pleasure beyond just me.